Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you the unboxing and first look of a new Maserin knife that I recently got, and it will be the Scout. This is the code. The model number is M8S163MA. It will be the orange Micarta version. So it has been a while, but I featured the Maserin Sodbuster, which was a dealer exclusive for collector's knives. And back then I said that there is also a production version of that knife, and this is the production version of the knife. So it's called Scout. It's made in Maniago, Italy, which is the knife capital, and it's basically a mid-sized Sodbuster or work knife pattern. So I will show you the comparison with the deal exclusive, but for now let's appreciate the production one with this nice orange Burlap Micarta scales. So let me give the specification really quickly. So we have an O length of 18.5 centimeters, this is 7.3 inches. The blade is 8.2 centimeters or 3.2 inches with a cutting edge of 7.2 centimeters or 2.8 inches. The blade width is 1.7 centimeters, 0.6 inches. The thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches. The handle is 10.4 centimeters or 4.1 inches long with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters, that is 0.5 inches. So on the blade we have D2 with a really nice Stonewashed finish and with a drop point profile. Nice sharpening choil right there. We have full flat ground blade. We have stainless steel liners, stainless steel back spring, of course. We have screwed construction with also a nice generous lanyard. Hasp is at 90 degrees and it has really nice walk and talk, nicely centered. For opening we have a nail nick opener right there. It has I would say around 5, so this should be the same as the Sodbuster from the previous version that I showed to you. On the blade we have Maserin logo and D2 Italy. Now this side is clean. So let's try the sharpness out of the box. So really nice and sharp. This is a prime example how a really nice work knife should be presented or made. Okay, weight is 72.4 grams, this 2.5 ounces, and the price is around 57 euros. That is something like $58 or so. Okay, let me show you the comparisons with the Sodbuster. And I was really surprised that when I found out the Maserin Scout that there are few options you can choose from. There is blue, gray, red, green, and also olive wood, but no brown micarta. I don't know why these are popping up on exclusives with different knife retailers, but I don't know what's going on with the Italians. So now, if you need one of these, you can probably check with collectorsknives.net, but I don't know if they're still available. Maybe they will make a second, or sorry, this was the second release. Maybe there will be a third one. I don't know. But if you don't care about the brown color, then you can choose from those that I mentioned. And yes, the walk and talk is about the same. Maybe this one is a little bit lighter. So let's try it once again. Yes, this is a little bit lighter. So let's say this is a 6 and this is a 5 out of 10. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. I brought out all my work knives, different sizes that I own. So let's put it in the middle. So let's start with the traditional one, and that is obviously the case Sodbuster Junior. The cheapest one, or the more budget oriented, is the Imperial from Schrade. It's a little bit larger, but just maybe 5 millimeters. Then of course we have a range buster from Burlap Plus with a canvas type brown micarta, and this is, thank you very much, production model, so you don't have to get it through a specific dealer. The newest one from Rough Rider is their brown micarta one. This is the small work knife. As you can see, it's fairly smaller than the Sodbuster Junior and has a brass liner for locking purposes. And let's put in the picture also a full-size Sodbuster pattern from Imperial Schrade. So if you're interested, I have videos about all of these knives. This is the Imperial model number EMP 22L. Very nice, affordable knife. And this is the EMP 22. So obviously Rough Rider has on offer also large work knives, but for these size comparisons I just wanted to show you the scale of where the Scout is in position with the OG traditional Sodbuster Junior. And let's take these. So really nice touch that they went with a mid-size offering, which none of the competitors are offering right now, as far as I know. Okay, let's see a few modern knives. So here is the Bonfire. If you would like to see the comparison, this is more on the larger side, which is a modified trapper design in my eyes, of course. Then let's see the Viper Hog, another beautiful knife, also made in Italy, and it's a little bit smaller, but much more expensive because we have titanium liners and so on. Okay, here is the case tribal lock. Let's see, Texas toothpick from Buck, Peanut from Rough Rider. I have here also a small Stockman from Rough Rider. Okay, let's see a few known examples of really great EDC knives. So here is the CVV Elementum, here is the Benchmade bug out, QSP penguin, CJRB feldspar, giant mouse ace grand, Bugsprint Pro, another beautiful knife with Burlap Micarta. Read my Chinese paramilitary 2 in Micarta. Let's see also the Delica. Griptilian small from Benchmade. 940 from Benchmade. Red Model 2. Kaiser Big Lighter 2. Bug Vintage Avid. Nice diamond wood scales. And let's close it down, the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Another well made budget offering for a EDC knife. Okay, so this was the Maserin Scout in orange micarta. Definitely a really nice addition to my traditional slip joint work knife collection. Check out your favorite knife reseller. Maybe they have them on stock, maybe not. These are Italian made knives, so not everybody will carry them, but usually some sites will deliver worldwide, so I can only highly recommend for the fit and finish. Everything is really nice and smooth, no sharp corners whatsoever. Let's appreciate for one moment the nice uniform Burlap micarta. So this is a really nice example of a, I would say this is as natural as possible. Definitely it's a little bit buffed, but it is not treated with any kind of oil or polishing compound. Okay, so with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes I do other stuff regarding my own hobbies. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.